But I think if this is not in place, I mean, if you don't have, the classification, the strategy, I think it's also a golden opportunity for you as a new IT manager come in and say, maybe these are some of the things we actually need to do. We need to put some policies in place. We need to have this under some type of control, and because we need to be able to, place functions, applications in the correct. Depending on technical needs, cost, legal stuff, we need to be able to put them in the right place. So you need to have the right architecture for actually being able to create your multi-cloud, and it's a lot of it is about networking. So I think there's also an opportunity. I mean, you probably won't find answers to all your questions, because you have a legacy, you have a history. And maybe you will not find out everything. So okay, it is what it is, perhaps, and we take it as it comes. But start from now, saying, okay, if we start doing things in a correct way, and this is not about just IT controlling things. I think that might be one of the problems, that IT is trying to do it their way with their processes, that like they always done it. I mean, that is one of the reasons for rogue IT or shadow IT happening. So you need to build in this flexibility that you could, depending on the requirements, you could place the application in the correct place with control, but don't kill speed and innovation. And that's a very interesting task, to try to combine structure, control, protection of your data, following the laws or your customers' requirements or your internal requirements. At the same time, provide the flexibility. So I think fundamentally start with some type of structure, some type of policy, but technically you need to Henrik's point, you need to be able to connect to all these different places where you most likely want to consume IT. And it's probably going to be a mix of internal consumption, internal production of IT, and external resources for IT operations, IT production.